Hello students, welcome to class 8 Max. Today we are going to see the continuation of exercise 5.1 similar triangles. You know what is meant by similar figure. The similar figures means if the figure has the same shape but different in size, you can say the figures are similar. If you take the triangle PQR and ABC, see here the size are different but the shapes are same. They are said to be similar if the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. You know what is meant by proportional? The ratio of the side should be the same. It's called the proportional. So if you see the triangle PQR and ABC, angle P is equal to angle A and angle Q is equal to angle B and angle R is equal to angle C, and then the side is PQ is proportional to AB and PR is proportional to AC and QR is proportional to BC. Proportional means the ratio of the side should be the same. Then you can say these triangles are similar. Then we have to prove by four ways. First one is angle or angle similarity. If two triangles are similar, if two angles of one triangle are equal respectively to two angles of the other triangle. So if you see the triangle ABC and the triangle PQR, the angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, you can say these triangles are similar triangle. If two angles are equal means the third angle also equal. Then the next property is side similarity. Two triangles are similar if two sides of one triangle are proportional to the two sides of the other triangle and the include angles are equal. So if you take here the triangle ABC and triangle PQR, the side AC is proportional to side PQ. So AC is proportional to PQ and AB is proportional to PR. And the include angle, that is the angle between the two sides should be equal. So the include angle, if you take the triangle ABC, the include angle of the side AB and AC is A and the include angle of of the side PR and PQ is angle P. Side similarity, that means if the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then you can say the triangles are similar triangle. Example, the corresponding side AB is proportional to PR and AC is proportional to the side AB is proportional to PQ and AC is proportional to PR and BC is proportional to QR. Then you can say that the triangles are similar triangles. Proportional means the side should not be the same. The ratio of the side should be the same. The ratio of the side same means you can say that it is a similar triangles. Then RHS similarity. Two right angles are similar if the hypotenuse and leg of one triangle are respectively proportional to the hypotenuse and the leg of the other triangle. That is, if you see the triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B and angle Q is equal to 90 degree and then AC is proportional to PR and then BC is proportional to QR. You can say the triangles are similar triangles. Sixth question is triangle PQR is congruent to triangle QSPY. PRQ, angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree, and angle, if you take the triangle QSP, the angle PSQ is also 90 degree. And then if you see the side, PR is equal to SQ. PR equal to SQ, which is equal to 3 centimeter. And then for both the triangle, the common side is PQ. PQ is equal to PQ, which is 5 centimeter. That is common side. As one angle they given the 90 degree RHS criteria. Next one, from the given figure, prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF. So if you see the triangle ABC, AB, the side AB is equal to side AC, and angle B is equal to 65. Therefore, in triangle ABC, side AB is equal to AC, which is given. If the angle B is 65, the side angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So if it is angle B is 65, means the angle opposite to equal side is also 65. That is angle ABC is equal to angle ACB equal to 65. Now using the angle sum property, we will find out the third angle value. It is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property you all know very well. The sum of three angles of the triangle is equal to 180. Therefore, we don't know the angle A. Angle B is equal to 65 plus angle C is equal to 65. Therefore, angle A plus 65 is 130. So, if you take the 130 to your right hand side, minus 130, which is equal to 50 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 50 degree. Now, in triangle DEF, triangle DEF, the side ED and EF are equal. ED is equal to EF, which is given in the figure. EDF and the side ED is equal to side EF, which is given in your figure. So the angle D is equal to angle F. As the side ED is equal to EF, the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Therefore, angle D is equal to angle F. And write angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So, according to angle sum property, angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. We don't know angle D, and angle E is 50 degree, and angle F also don't know. So if you take the angle D as X, then angle F also X, because both angle D and angle F are equal. Therefore 2x plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 2x is equal to 180 minus 50, which is equal to 130, and x is equal to 130 divided by 2, which is equal to 65 degree. Therefore angle D is equal to 65 and angle F is also 65. So when you see the triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to 50, angle A is equal to 50 degree and angle E is equal to 50 degree, and then angle B is equal to 65 and angle D is also 65. Angle B is equal to 65 degree and angle D is equal to 65 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF by AA criteria. Eighth question, in the given figure, YH is parallel to TE. Prove that triangle WHY is similar to triangle WET, and also find HE and TE. So if you see here, the what is given, HY is parallel to TE. If HY is parallel to TE, then angle Y is equal to angle T. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle HYW is equal to angle ETW. Corresponding angles are equal. Then if you take the triangle WHY and WET, angle W is common to both the triangle. Therefore, HWY is equal to EWT, common angles. Therefore, from this is your first equation and this is your second one. So from 1 and 2, triangle WHY is similar to triangle WET. Now they ask you to find out HE and TE value. So if you want to find the value of HE, in the place of HE we can assume X. HE is equal to WH by WE. WH by WE, which is equal to, then the HY is parallel to ET. So in the place of ET we will take Y. HY is parallel to ET, and then WY by WT. WH is 6 by WE is 6 plus X is equal to HY is 4 by ET is Y. Then WY is equal to 4 and WT is, you have to add both this value. 12 plus 4 is 16. So first put this 2 value. 6 by 6 plus x is equal to 4 by 16. If you cancel this one, 4 ones are 4 fours are. Then cross multiple. 6 into 4 is equal to 6 plus x. Therefore 24 is equal to 6 plus x. X is equal to 24 minus 6, which is equal to 18. X value is equal to 18. And then if you compare next to this two value, 4 by y is equal to, cancel that, if you cancel 4 and 16, 1 by 4. Then cross multiple. 4 into 4 is equal to y. Therefore 4 into 4 is 16. Y is equal to 16. And your answer for h is equal to 18 and ET is equal to, TE is equal to 16. In the given figure, if the triangle EAT is similar to triangle BUN, find the measure of all the angle. They itself given triangle EAT is similar to triangle BUN. You have to find all the angles. If what they given, angle EAT is similar to angle BUN. Therefore, angle EAT is equal to angle BUN, which is equal to angle EAT is 2x and angle BUN, they didn't give any value. So, we will assume as B. This is your first equation. And then the next angle is angle ATE is equal to angle UNB. Here in the place of T, they didn't give any value. We will assume as A. Therefore, A is equal to angle N is x plus 40 degree. X plus 40 degree. And then the remaining angle is E. Therefore, TEA is equal to angle NBU. That is x is equal to x. So, if you take the triangle EAT, according to angle sum property, angle A plus angle E plus angle T is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 2x, angle B is x and angle T is A. So, 2x plus x is 3x plus A. In the place of A, substitute the value of equation 2, that is x plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 3x plus x is 4x. 4x plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. 4x is equal to 180 minus 40, which is equal to 140, and x is equal to 140 by 4. 35 degree. So, the value of x is equal to 35 degree. And you can find the value of A. A is equal to x plus 40. X is equal to 35 plus 40, which which is equal to 75. Then B is equal to 2 into X, which is equal to 2 into 35, 70 degree. Therefore, finally take and write your answer. If take and write the answer, 2x is equal to what you got? 70. Therefore, here 70 degree, A is equal to 75 and X is equal to 35 degree. Therefore, your answer is angle A is equal to angle U. Angle A is 70 degree means angle U is also 70 degree. Then angle T is equal to angle N. Angle T is equal to 70 and angle N is also 70 degree. Then angle E is equal to 35. Angle B is also 35. Then your 10th question do as a homework. 6th